Oh, it is on fire.
Nana, you wanted the chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. She's Nana, the saucy chef. She's Nana, the saucy chef. She's Nana, the saucy chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making creamy Cajun chicken stuffed shells. The ingredients that we're going to need today are a 12-ounce box of jumbo shells, 2 large chicken breasts, cooked and shredded, 1 24-ounce can or jar of your favorite marinara sauce, 1/2 cup of chicken broth, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, 1/2 cup of shredded parmesan cheese, 1 cup of ricotta cheese, 4 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley flakes, 1 tablespoon of Tony Chachere's creole seasoning, and also right here I have some mozzarella cheese and shredded parmesan cheese, and I just mixed it together. This is going to be for at the end, the topping. And guys, you can use as much or as little as you want. There's no measurement to that. To a pot of salted boiling water, I added my box of shells. We're going to let them cook according to the instructions on the box. Once your shells are done cooking, you want to drain them and set them to the side. Now to our bowl of shredded chicken, we're going to add in our creole seasoning, our 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, our ricotta cheese, our shredded parmesan cheese, our heavy cream, our mozzarella cheese, gotta get that out the bowl, and also our softened cream cheese. Next, we're just going to mix everything until it's well combined and nice and creamy. Okay guys, once everything is well combined, you can set it to the side. Okay, you want to get a 9x13 baking dish and you want to spray it with some non-stick cooking spray. You can set your oven to 375 degrees. Next, you want to go ahead and get your shells, and we're going to begin to stuff them. And all you want to do is align them in your baking dish. Okay guys, once you're done, set them to the side. Okay guys, now I have my marinara sauce. And guys, this is totally optional. I always like to season mine a little more. So I'm going to add in some Italian seasoning, some onion powder, garlic powder, some black pepper, and I also like to add some sugar to it. Remember, this is optional. So I'm going to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. And now I'm going to add in my chicken broth. And just mix it until it's well combined. Okay guys, once you're done, we're going to begin to spoon it over top of our shells. Okay guys, you want to make sure all the sauce is spread out evenly over top of all your shells. Now we're going to get a piece of aluminum foil to cover it. We're going to place it into our 375-degree oven for 30 minutes. Okay guys, it's been a half an hour. So now I'm just going to take some of my mozzarella cheese and shredded parmesan cheese mixture. Just going to sprinkle a little bit over top. Guys, you can use more than what I'm using, or you can use less. Now we're going to place it back into our 375-degree oven for 15 more minutes. And you don't want to cover it up. Our creamy Cajun chicken stuffed shells are now at the oven. They're done. We're just going to put a little bit of dried parsley flakes over top for color. Okay, so I'm going to let it cool for a few minutes before I plate it. Okay guys, look how delicious this is. I've already tasted a little bit and it's really good. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Your whole family is going to enjoy this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?